In today's class we will be learning the topic, the resurrection of Jesus Christ. Resurrection is rising from dead. It is coming back of life again after death. Jesus Christ died and was buried on the third day. He resurrected from death. Very early in the morning from the third day after death, the women disciples Mary Magdalene, Mary the mother of Jesus and Salome went into the tomb. They carried spices along in order to anoint the body of Christ to preserve it from decaying. But something wonderful happened when they get to the tomb. The big stone rolled to cover the entrance of the tomb had been rolled away. They began to wonder who might have come here to roll away the stone and taken away the body of Jesus Christ. Suddenly an angel of God appeared to them, and said, "Do not be amazed, you seek Jesus of Nazareth who was crucified. He is risen, he is not here. See the place where they laid him, but go and tell his disciple and Peter that he is going before you, to Galilee, there you will meet him as he told you." The women disciples went back to inform Peter and John. They also ran to the tomb and found it empty. They went back inside the tomb, and sent the linen used to wrap the body of Christ. But they did not see Jesus Christ himself. The disciples went away to their own homes. The resurrection of Jesus Christ is the hope of the world. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.